Today's date is June 29th, isn't it?
8th.
28th, 2018. We're here with Sheila, who is a former OR nurse. It's always an honor when we get a health professional. Sheila has degenerative arthritis in her shoulder. The doctors told her that she needs a shoulder replacement and she doesn't want to do it. And remember, she's a retired health professional. She's got other issues, but she's mainly here because of her shoulder. And before we did anything with you, Sheila, show us how far you could get your arm out. About, if that.
If that.
If that. And then you had to struggle to get it out, right?
By
By pushing it,
yeah.
by pushing it up. And we just did an injection into your joint here, which helped to a degree. And then I did an injection right about here on your back because I found a disturbance there. And I should have videoed you before we did this with your neck, because you didn't have as good range of motion of your neck. Now let me see you turn your head to the right and to the left. That's much better than it was and freer, correct? Let's see you get your arm out now.
It still hurts a little bit, but not like it did.
On a scale of 10, how much relief do you have?
Well, it's hard to say.
That's okay, but you were able to get it out this
Yes,
time.
I have maybe 75%.
Improvement.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
I mean, from what it was.
From what it was. Okay. I'm really happy about you.
I
That
can
arm
do-
is going. You couldn't do that
No.
before. I should have
It's-
videoed you.
It's much better now. Now I don't even have to. Before I had to push it
Right.
to get it up. Now let me pretend like I'm doing my hair. That's what I could not do.
All right.
I can do it much better. I mean, I can feel it as it goes up a little bit, but
Yeah.
I couldn't hold my hands.
You
like
weren't
this.
able to do that
No.
earlier when you
No,
first came
not
in
at
here.
all.
Okay. And I have your video. I have your permission to video
Yes.
you and post you. Correct.
Yes, you do.
Thank you very much. Now you were just smiling and
I was
saying
smiling.
something different. Go ahead. Let's see what you can do.
I said, I can
Oh my gosh.
I can do it. I can really do it now. And before it was a little tiny bit, it hurt. I didn't have pain. Now I don't have pain. Don't I have hurt either?
You got that up without any effort at all. That's not what you had before.
No.
And you also got to your hair. Let's see you get to your hair.
It's a little sore,
Okay.
stiff maybe even, but it's not painful like it was.
Okay. Look, this is just your first treatment.
I know.
All right. So I'm really happy.
Oh boy.
It's now about 15 minutes later, and you can't believe what happened, it seems. Because
Yes.
you're pressing and trying to find pain.
On those trigger points I called them, and
It's not hurting now.
it's not hurting.
And you also told me that the pain that was coming down
Is
your
no longer.
arms,
No.
that's no longer there too, correct?
No.
And let's see you get your arm over your head. No, look at that. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, I'm happy. We'll check you again when you come back in a couple weeks.
Okay.
Today is July 12th, 2018. We're here with Sheila, who I saw a short time ago because 2 weeks ago because of a problem with her shoulder. And before we started, you told me you couldn't lift that shoulder up. You could get it up about that far, and then to get further than that, you needed the assistance of
This hand.
that hand
Pushed it.
to push it up. And we've done one treatment on you into the shoulder joint and one to your low neck, right about there. It's been 2 weeks. Let's see what you can do. Wow. I'm really impressed.
I could only go this far before.
Right. Okay, so we'll do another one today. Hopefully you don't need more. If you do, we can. And I have your permission to put this on YouTube?
Yes.
Thank you so much.